over here, another side of Jamaica Beach. Just breaking daylight. We're gonna give it a go on the surf this morning. Got the old man down here. Yep. Got a little north wind blowing, it's a little cool. Pretty morning. Not sure why I'm videotaping. I should be getting my crap together and getting on out here. Don't see too much bait being busted just yet. Go fish right out there in that second gut. Good flat surf. Out there. Some bait being busted out there. Do what? Oh yeah, I'm a good narrator.
It don't come.
Right.
Now watch these fish. If that water's cold, I'm gonna watch them fish.
Yeah, you see me reeling in the fish too.
Whatever.
Oh, there's some bait right there being busted.
Oh, you bet.
All that weed rolled in. Looks like it's weed free out there.